I will say that my sister and an older female cousin of mine say she taught them cooking. This was, when she was living in our neighborhood. She gave them recipes for Russian borscht. That was part of the wonderful thing about visiting her house. What else? The food, but she would make us these really heavy meat borschts. And and my sister, I only know this recently, and my cousin both have said, yeah, she gave us the recipe. I don't know if she actually took them through it, but she taught them how to cook that and probably other things as well. But the borscht, I know my sister still cooks that borscht. That's kind of like that's symbolic of our family, of her, that Russian heavy borscht with meat and vegetables. That's like, when you think of her, that comes up.